Good day, ma'am. I am Marfe Fajardo.
I am Michael Josh Mabitasan
from OA3A. So, this is our discussion about the movie entitled How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies.
And for today, we were answering the 3 questions. So our first question is, how does the movie How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies depict the concept of a good life?
For me, the movie depicts the concept of good life through giving a time with your loved ones by cherishing every moment and creating a bonds together. Because I believe that every hour or every day is a precious time of us. Pareha sa movie natong gitanaw na hanggat napa sa kalibutan ang mga importante nga tao sa imo, you need to make a memories together kay ang memories kay maglast gid na siya forever.
And for me, Pod, the concept of a good life is having emotional connection, securing financial stability, having bond and taking care of our loved ones, and also building a meaningful relationship with them. So our next question is, which philosopher's perspective on the good life is reflected on the movie?
For me, for Aristotle, eudaimonia, state of flourishing and well-being achieved through living a life of virtue and purpose. Katong time nga napagtanto na niya nga ang need gyud di ay sa iyang grandma is ang pure intention sa pag-aalaga. Even though his grandma ginapush siya nga magpalayo sa iya, but he still care and love his grandma. Good life has a purpose to be contented and to be happy.
Ako, Pod, is Aristotle's perspective on a good life is leading a good life o involve fostering connections and leading virtues rather than concentrating on accumulating wealth. The character of the movie, first, he wants wealth because he think it would make him happy. But as the movie goes on, he learns that mas maayo nga ati manuniya ang lola kay para di lang kay nagsakit siya but also para ma-develop ilang connection duwa.
So for our last question, what does a good life mean to you personally? Which philosopher's viewpoint aligns with you with your definition of good life and why?
Para sa ako, good life means maintaining strong connections or relationship o gapadayon ka sa paningkamot for your personal growth. Aristotle's viewpoints align with my definition of a good life. This transition to a life morality of personal development and best illustrated by changes of self-serving goals to sincere concern for our loved ones.
Good life for me is gabuhat bitaw ka og mga butang nga walay kapalit. Gibuhat lang nimo siya kay gusto nimo makatabang to make someone happy. Good life is to make a purpose in life. Do what you love to do and whatever you want to do. Because life is too short para magpabilin ka sa imong mga past nga puno sa mga hinanakit or kapungot. Live your life to the fullest. And that is eudaimonia for Aristotle. Living a life of virtue and purpose. That would be all. Thank you.